Hi everybody. Welcome to Quantum Data. Today, we're going to go over the best-selling electric cars in USA from 2012 to 2019. Make sure to watch until the end, to discover which brand is the undisputed king. Enjoy! The benefits of driving electric vehicles include the potential to save money on both fuel and maintaining the vehicle, convenient home charging, no more gas stations, the fun of instant torque, reduced emissions, and in the case of Tesla, all the autopilot and infotainment features packed into the car. There are no oil changes, there's no need to replace the alternator. You can charge using home or public charging stations or just using a normal electricity outlet, the latter is just slower. There are also political benefits to going electric, and EVs help reduces the threat of being vulnerable to gas price spikes and supply disruptions. There are a lot of reasons to go electric. It's still a small percentage of car buyers who do so in the US, but the market is growing and another blockbuster EV is coming out this year. The Tesla Model Y. We'll see how it does. The auto industry sold or leased 106,864 full electric vehicles in the U.S. through the first 6 months of 2019, according to estimated and announced sales figures charted by our affiliate website infotainment.com. That's a significant increase over the first half of 2018 when 63,752 battery-powered models were delivered to customers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Quantum Data. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.